Hey you guys, what's going on? My name is Reed the Rider, and yes, I'm still rocking a cowboy hat. I don't know, I'm kind of feeling it. Like, I'm really feeling it. Like, I'm Dirty Dan. Y'all watch SpongeBob? I'm Dirty Dan. with the cowboy situation, yeah. Some sandy cheeks, yes, that feels like me. But yeah, let's talk about this news topic I found, and it's regarding Wendy's. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I don't want to be a liar on this channel. I'd rather be 100% transparent. That's what y'all like, transparency. I don't eat at Wendy's. I don't eat at Wendy's. You might be mad at me. I'm gonna say it again. I don't eat at Wendy's. That doesn't mean I don't like Wendy's. I don't eat at Wendy's. I just don't go there. There's nothing about the menu that I woke up and I was like, man, let me get some Wendy's. I blame my family. We didn't go to Wendy's. We went to In-N-Out. So I'm an In-N-Out person. But that's going to change drastically, because Wendy's is that girl right now for me. So Wendy's is going to be releasing a Krabby Patty meal on October the 8th of this year. I like, mentally, I've been saying this for so long. How come no one has released a Krabby Patty restaurant? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like a Krusty Krab. It baffles me that the millennials and Gen Z, we grew up watching SpongeBob. That was my childhood. That was it. It was SpongeBob. And of course, Danny Phantom. I gotta throw that in there. And Hey Arnold, if you want a little bit of trauma. Now I'm going back and I'm watching Hey Arnold and I'm going, wow, there was a lot of deep-seated issues that really went over my head because I was a child. But now that I'm an adult and I'm watching it, I'm going, oh wow, Oscar really was a bad husband. But but yeah, still, I don't understand why this was not a thing years ago, or how there was not a SpongeBob, Krusty Krab food place somewhere downtown LA, somewhere at Florida, some of these major highway states. Because could you imagine how many people would flock to go to the Krusty Krab? Grown adults. Because we're the adults now. We're not kids anymore. We are the adults. How many adults would take their kids to go to the Krusty Krab to have a freaking Krabby Patty? And look, I'm a real fan. I didn't have to look this up. A Krabby Patty with kelp fries and a kelp shake. Come on now. That should have been a thing. The store would have been packed out every single day, the restaurant. But turns out that Wendy's is that girl. And I like Wendy's. I like her drama online. I like what she does on X, not Twitter anymore, but X. She's very controversial and she's spicy. But because of this, I mess with Wendy's. And yes, on October 8th, Wendy's, you can expect me to be in the line. I'm not a diehard fan. I'm not gonna cap. I'm not that person. But probably about midday, maybe like 4 or 5 when I get off work, I'm gonna go get me a Krabby Patty because I need to know what this tastes like. And I've read online somewhere where people were like, the Krabby Patty formula is actually crabs, which is kind of dark. I wouldn't be surprised if a Krabby Patty was actually made out of crabs. Like, knowing Mr. Krabs, how cheap he is, I would not be surprised if that was the secret formula for the Krabby Patty. I read somewhere someone was like trying to debunk it, but I think it was like a later episode, SpongeBob. They found out the recipe was actually SpongeBob. His love, just him making the sandwich is what made a Krabby Patty. But I'm going, no, there's probably a crab in there. But yeah, I found this article. It's gonna go over the duo that we're gonna be seeing between Wendy's and the Krusty Krab with the Krabby Patty. So here we go. The article goes, Wendy's Krabby Patty meal inspired by SpongeBob release date and what does it include? And I'm so excited for this. Like, they could have been making millions of dollars on the side if they just had a restaurant. And I promise you, the turnout for this is going to be horrible. If you work at Wendy's, quit. I don't want to be that person, but you need to quit. You have until October the 8th to leave your job or to be sick for a whole month or go on to a family vacation. If you work during that time period, it's going to be bad. And what's going to be worse is me telling people here on my reels, I'm going to let everybody else know that this is happening so they can flood out the lines. And if you're watching this video right now, what you're going to do is put this in your calendar. On October 8th, you're going to make every Wendy's employee sad. Go to Wendy's on October the 8th. Flood the lines, flood the streets. Get in there. Order more food than you need to eat. Just do that. And get all the Krabby Patties. And tell me how it tastes. So we can come online and we can talk about it together. Let me see. But yeah, you gotta quit. Don't work that day. You see me, I'm gonna be complicated too. I'm gonna be extra complicated. Okay, Wendy's, Krabby Patty meal inspired release date. Okay, so a Wendy's memo announcing a partnership with Paramount. So Paramount to create a SpongeBob themed meal deal has been leaked. And whoever leaked it, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate you for ruining the suspense and just making it easier for me to find out about this information so I can prepare ahead of time. I won't eat that day. I will just dream about what it tastes like. And once it comes down to the time, I can get in line and be complicated and drive really slow up to the cashier. I appreciate you for giving me this. But whoever leaked it, you're a problem. You are a problem. Okay, so this is what we know so far. Rumors were spreading after a leaked Wendy's memo announcing that the fast food giant would be offering a Krabby Patty inspired meals this fall. The memo, which was reportedly leaked on August the 16th, so this has been a minute, states the beginning on October 8th, the company will offer a meal that will transport you to the Bikini Bottom. If the news is real, the meal is the product of a deal reached between Paramount and the parent company of Nickelodeon and Wendy to celebrate the 25th anniversary of the beloved cartoon SpongeBob SquarePants. The cartoon is one of the most popular in the world, airing in 170 countries that collectively represent 25 languages. And I was a little girl when SpongeBob actually dropped. I was real little. I was like a little baby. I don't even think I was even in school yet. But I remember going to first, second grade and it was so freaking funny. Because we were just such weird kids back in the early 2000s. I remember some kid was passing out chocolate. It's probably around, I don't know, Halloween time. And it really just speaks to brainwashing, how brainwashed we are from television. This kid starts yelling out chocolate. He just says it like that. He goes, someone just gives him some chocolate. And he goes, chocolate. And I promise you, didn't matter what race we were, what creed, what background, did not matter. Everyone in my classroom went, chocolate? Chocolate? We all did it. It's so freaking funny. But I promise you do that to anyone. There's certain SpongeBob episodes that just, speak out. And tell me that in the comment section. What line or lines from SpongeBob SquarePants, the show, that just got you? And that chocolate episode was my freaking favorite, honestly. The old worm lady, she was chocolate. I love chocolate. So freaking weird. Yeah, SpongeBob was really bad. The first, I think seasons 1 to 3 were really bad. But it was so freaking funny. And another one, the Dirty Dan thing was so freaking funny. Because what was it? Sandy Cheek, she was in hibernation mode. And they had never seen this because they got trapped in the dome. Because the dome, Sandy Cheek's like air dome, and the dome got filled up with snow. Then here you have like Patrick and SpongeBob fighting over who was going to be a cowboy. Then they're looking for warmth, so they're ripping. They get some duct tape. Patrick's an idiot. He puts the duct tape on Sandy's big old body, her big back body, rips off the duct tape. Sandy screams, like roars, and he puts on his body. He's like, warm. Yeah, tell me down in the comment section, what was your favorite episode? I'm so pumped up for this. Let me see. It goes, if Wendy and Paramount go through with the deal, the memo states that it will be available on October 8th and November 11th. So it's just October 8th and 11th. Let me check that. It should be through, not on 2 different days. Okay. So here's on Google. It says Wendy is reportedly releasing the Krabby Patty meal on October 8th, which will include hot and crispy fries, which is a total miss. They should just say it's kelp fries. It should just be kelp fries. Don't say fries. The meal is part of a collaboration between Paramount to celebrate the 25th anniversary of SpongeBob. Let me see. So the giveaway, not the giveaway, this meal will be available in the United States, Canada, and Guam. Hey, shout out Guam. Guam. I'm sorry about everybody else. I'm so sorry. If you can, just come out to the United States or Canada during the fall time if you want to try it. So this is going to run between October the 8th to November the 11th. Okay, it's not just those 2 days. It's a continuation. So it's going to be all the way, the beginning of October to the beginning of November. So it's a whole month. Let me see. Here. Across social media, SpongeBob fans have expressed their excitement, and like I said, I'm excited about October's arrival. However, some users on Reddit noted that the company missed a great opportunity to briefly rename the French fries kelp fries. I just said that. Oh my gosh, they have enough time. I don't know, Paramount, Wendy's, you have enough time because none of this is released. And everything's digital nowadays. Like, y'all can just go, it's kelp fries. Y'all can't make the fries green, which, that would have been something crazy too. But I know the fries in the show are like normal colored potato fries, so that's actually fine. So it's fine, but just say they're kelp fries. Paramount, just say they're kelp fries. And it goes, yeah, kelp fries as if they were on the show. Okay, so let me see what's going to be in this combo, because I want to know exactly. So it's going to be kelp fries, you're going to have a Krabby Patty, and it says like a pineapple smoothie. What? Okay, so it's a pineapple under the sea frosty, a vanilla frosty with pineapple mango puree. Ooh, that sounds really good. And another missed opportunity. Oh my gosh. Paramount, if y'all just said a kelp shake, and I just know that off the top of my head, if y'all just had a kelp shake instead of the frosty with the pineapple, come on now. I should have been part of the marketing team. Imagine if it was like a green shake. Imagine it was a green shake and it would have to be sweet. Because that's what I imagine a kelp shake was. It's, shakes are sweet. So it would probably be like a sweet, maybe, I don't want it to be gross, but like a cucumber melon. Work with me, like a cucumber melon kind of shake or something. That could have been that, or a green shake that's just vanilla, like a vanilla green shake. It could have been, but I was not there. But regardless, this still is amazing. And the sandwich looks good, just based off the picture. Because I'm looking at a really nice bun, cheese, lettuce, tomatoes. Better have some pickles in there. Don't mess around with them pickles. But everything else looks really good. So Wendy's, congrats to you. If you're watching this, like I said, mark it on your calendar, go there October 8th, and you have until November the 10th to show up to this. And yeah, flood Wendy's. Every Wendy's in your area, just keep going to them. Get in the line and do it. And what I'll do here, because I'll remember that to October the 8th, which is coming up in a couple weeks, I'll probably film it. I think that would be cool to bring my camera. And I'm not going to go inside. I'll just do the drive-through. I'll go through the drive-through. I'll show you guys how bad it is out here in Southern California. Because I'm pretty sure someone was probably curious to see how bad it is out here on that date. And I'll show you guys what it is and how I feel about the sandwich as soon as I do get it. But I'm super pumped up for this. But yeah, great idea, great marketing. I don't know the specific person who was in charge of doing this collab, but whoever this person is, please give this individual a raise. And to Wendy's, if you're going to be collaborating with Paramount and doing stuff like this is an opportunity to touch into so many other markets and foods that people love from, not only just from like Nickelodeon, but you can go even deeper into anime. Like so many different like little things you can do. But I feel like this is just like the start. They're testing this. But they're gonna knock so many things out of the water. But yeah, this is something to think about. Like I would think about like Naruto having like a ramen something, not at Wendy's, but you know, just say in general, let's say what's a major spot that sells soup? Like not Wabaguro, but like a soup plantation, somewhere like that. But you know what I mean? Like these are other food ideas. I'm trying to think what other cartoon or TV show had like a really popular food. Maybe y'all can tell me down in the comment section. Just actually do that for me. In the comment section, tell me a cartoon show or a TV show that had a really popular food item that everyone in the show loved. And from there, I'll be like, oh, that's a great, they could like pitch that at Burger King or somewhere else. Because all I can think about is what is it? Good Burger with the fonts with the orange soda. That could be like a Burger King type of thing. I don't see McDonald's picking up anything like that. I don't see that. But Wendy's, you're on to something. You are cooking. But yeah, tell me down below how you feel about this and any other food spots or food that you've noticed on cartoons or just on a TV show that you would love to try in the real world. But yeah, I'll keep you guys posted when I actually do go down to Wendy's and try it. Then I'll tell you guys what it tastes like. Other than that, you guys have a wonderful day. I appreciate all the follows and all the support. You guys are amazing. So I really do. I appreciate all you guys. But yeah, if you can make every Wendy's employee cry, and just go to Wendy's. Go to Wendy's and just support Wendy's regardless. Just go down there, try this out, tell me all about it. If you are going to go to Wendy's, you better go early or late at night. Figure it out. There's going to be lines. I know there's going to be lines. And I know I'm going to be reporting on it. Right, but I'll see you guys for the next video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Yes. Wait, before I go, one more thing. Let me think of another SpongeBob saying. There's so many. Here we go. The magic conch. Remember that episode? Can you have Squidward starving? And he's like, can I have that? They pull it. And the magic conch goes, no. So freaking funny. SpongeBob is such a freaking funny show. It's so bad too, but it's so freaking funny.